Are you the Wire? Whisks have become an essential kitchen tool for home cooks and professionals alike. Whether you're whisking eggs, blending sauces, or stirring batter, a high-quality whisk can make all the difference. With the growing demand for durable, versatile tools, we've reviewed the best wire whisks available. This guide evaluates each product based on material quality, durability, handle comfort, versatility, and overall value, ensuring you choose the perfect whisk for your culinary needs.
List number: Wire Whisk, 14-inch large whisks, heavy-duty stainless steel wire whisk. If you're looking for a large, sturdy whisk that tackles heavy-duty mixing tasks with ease, the Wire 14-inch whisk stands out. Made of professional-grade stainless steel, this whisk boasts reinforced wires that won't bend under pressure, making it perfect for mixing thicker batters and large batches. The handle is ergonomically designed for a secure, non-slip grip, and it's also dishwasher safe, which adds convenience to performance. Its generous size makes it ideal for tasks like whipping cream or mixing cake batter, but it may be a bit too large for more delicate tasks. However, for those needing a single, robust tool to do it all, the Wire Whisk is hard to beat. A great pick for chefs who demand power and durability in the kitchen. List number:
Stainless steel wire whisk set, 3 packs, balloon whisk. This 3-pack stainless steel balloon whisk set offers excellent versatility and value for everyday cooking. The set includes 3 sizes: small, medium, large, each made from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel. The thick wire design gives the whisks a springy feel, perfect for aerating eggs or whipping cream efficiently. Each whisk features a solid handle that provides a firm grip during use. They're dishwasher safe and easy to clean, making post-cooking cleanup hassle-free.
What sets this set apart is the combination of quality craftsmanship
and affordable pricing. Whether we're mixing sauces, scrambling eggs, or folding ingredients into batter, you'll always have the right size tool at hand. It's ideal for home cooks who want a multi-size set without sacrificing durability.
List 3. OXO Good Grips 11-inch balloon whisk.
Known for ergonomic design and everyday utility, the OXO Good Grips 11-inch balloon whisk is a staple in many kitchens.
It features a soft, non-slip handle that remains comfortable even during extended use, great for those with hand fatigue or arthritis.
The stainless steel wires are flexible yet durable, designed to handle everything from delicate egg whites to dense pancake batter. Its medium size strikes a balance between control and power, making it versatile for most recipes. What really sets the OXO whisk apart is the thoughtful grip design, which helps avoid wrist strain and slipping, even when wet. While it may cost a bit more than basic models, the quality and comfort justify the investment for serious home cooks.
List number: Amazon Basics Stainless Steel Wire Whisk Set, 3-piece.
For beginners or budget-conscious cooks, the Amazon Basics Stainless Steel Whisk Set delivers surprisingly solid performance at an affordable price. The set includes 3 different sized whisks: small, medium, and large, giving you flexibility for various tasks. Made from durable stainless steel, the wires hold their shape well under pressure. The black and silver handles provide a modern aesthetic, though they lack the soft grip of higher-end models. All 3 whisks are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. While they might not match the build quality of premium brands, they punch well above their price tag in everyday performance. A great starter set or backup option for any kitchen.
List 5. 304 Stainless Steel Whisk Set,
Professional Balloon Wire Whisks, engineered for durability and professional use. The 304 Stainless Steel Whisk Set is a top-tier option for cooks who want longevity and performance. Constructed from food-grade 304 stainless steel, this set resists rust and corrosion better than most. The balloon shape is ideal for maximum aeration, making it perfect for baking, whipping cream, and emulsifying dressings. The handles are sturdy and designed to remain cool to the touch. Plus, they're dishwasher safe and resistant to warping, even after heavy use. This set's standout feature is its uncompromising material quality, making it ideal for those who want to invest in a reliable kitchen tool that will last for years. A top pick for professionals and passionate home bakers.